Hola, ¿cómo están? Bienvenidos al canal. Yo me llamo Sara y pues en esta ocasión va a ser un video algo especial porque el día de hoy, 8 de febrero, es mi cumpleaños. Entonces este va a ser un video como un detrás de cámaras porque tenía esta idea en mi cabeza de hacer una foto especial para postear en mi Instagram. Entonces los voy a llevar junto conmigo en este proceso y pues también va a ser como un watch and learn tutorial, o sea, que veas y aprendas, porque vamos a utilizar técnicas de Scott Barnes, que viene siendo el maquillista de J-Lo. Entonces vamos a utilizar sus técnicas y pues sí, espero y les agrade y pues me acompañen en este detrás de cámaras de mi foto de cumpleaños.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. We walk tall, our heads held high. Cause we so much fly, yeah. Wings of gold, we touch the sky. Bad bitches till we die. We so fly. Just to show how we get down. It's been a night, we know how to party. Dancing like there's no one else around. You know I be looking so fine, body like mine, wearing these boots thigh high. Bitches in the corner with wine, staring cause we never get stuck in line. We can't help it, we just look so snap. We look so good. Yeah, we're the ones the boys are looking at. We walk tall, our heads held high. Cause we so much, yeah. Wings of gold, we touch the sky. Bad bitches till we die. We so fly. Where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Well, my ex got baggage like a bellhop. Yeah, I love a cry for help, but I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed? something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know how much fighting for. You're showing me something that's deeper. We're so close, but still we get nearer. You're showing me something that's deeper. We're so close, but still we get nearer. 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper.